Hello everyone, have you ever sent any feedback to WhatsApp? Well, if you have not and you want to, I will tell you how to do it. So now open your WhatsApp and tap on settings option, the favorite area for everything actually. Now tap on three dots, tap on settings and scroll it down to tap on the option of help and feedback, right? You tap there and you have these options in front of your screen. The second option, send feedback, report technical issues, right? Using this, you can send a feedback to WhatsApp directly to resolve technical issues or something else you have, like app freeze, crashes, broken features, as it is mentioned, and also include the screenshot for the WhatsApp people to understand it, right? So in the box, the green one, you have to describe the technical issue. Whatever issue you have, you can type it here. And also, I will tell you one more thing. This feature is particularly for technical, as I told you, and not for other spam or scams as it is written. So we will explore that in the next video, right? So I'm trying to make an issue, and for your example, I am writing something here. Sometimes WhatsApp hang, right? I don't have any screenshot, so I have added it, but you can add it by tapping on the last option below the screenshots or recording. So you can also add the recording. Whatever your problem is, tell it right away through this method, right? And one more interesting thing, this feedback is for their help. So whatever issues you are facing might help WhatsApp to improve the quality of the features that they're providing to us, right? So adding your feedback is helpful for improvement of the possible quality changes and bugs removal or etc, right? So see you in the next video. Ta-da.